free Spring Boot tutorial for Java developers. If you're interested in Spring Boot and you want to learn more about how Spring Boot works, this tutorial will be very useful for you. And this is by Brian Matthews, who's a well-known presenter at the Dublin Java User Group and an expert on Java and indeed all things within the Spring framework, especially Spring Boot. What I'm going to do is I'm going to scroll down the article and let you see it. And what you can do then is next Friday, which is the 25th of May, there'll be a live Q&A session online with Brian Matthews to discuss this article and to give you free training in Spring Boot. This training in Spring Boot will appeal to Java developers, software engineers, and anyone who is interested in the Spring framework. So let's take a scroll down the article and you can have a look. And what I'll do then is I will post the link to the article in the description of this video. And what you can do then is you can read the full article and you can go back to the beginning and you can register down there to take part in the live event where you can get free training in Spring Boot and in the Spring framework. So this involves a demo project. The demo project is to create a simple microservices backend for a to-do list application. And you can see all the examples here. In fact, if you go to the irishdev.com page, there's going to be a lot more of these articles and live Q&A sessions on the articles from top Java experts and software experts from around the world, Java champions and people who are famous trainers and who speak at all the top Java and all the software engineering and software development conferences globally. So it'll be a great opportunity for you to learn more. And that's irishdev.com, which is an Irish software news website specifically for software developers. You can actually see Stack & Code, that's our company. If you happen to be a Java developer, software engineer, and you're looking for a job in Ireland or you're looking to hire top software engineers for your company, please reach out to us at Stack & Co. Stack&.co is our website, stack&.co. And we just continue scrolling on down the page on the Spring Boot tutorial. There's a lot of fantastic information for you here. And the training from Brian Matthews is awesome. Brian has given presentations many times at the Dublin Java User Group on Spring and Spring Framework, Spring 2.0, and many current topics. He's one of the most popular and most knowledgeable presenters that we have. And as I said, I will put the link for the Spring Boot tutorial at the bottom in the description of the video. And you can go and you can get the whole article there and learn everything about Spring Boot. And there's some links for you. Okay. So I hope you find this helpful. I hope you go to the irishdev.com website. There is there, irishdev.com, and you can sign up. In fact, there's another website as well, dubjug.org, which is for the Dublin Java User Group, dubjug.org, and you can sign up there for all the free articles and the tutorials, which will be live by top Java and software engineer experts globally. And this is Jerry Nolan from Stack & Co here in Dublin, Ireland. Thank you very much for your time.